I am unboxing a flower arch from Katie's Story. They give you a hot glue gun and 3 packs of flowers just in case anything falls off. This floral arch has 3 parts, 2 pieces that go on the sides and 1 piece for the center. They do have pockets for you to put them on your crossbar. These flowers are 5D. They are very, very beautiful and full. Here I'm showing you how you attach the middle piece with the side piece. So I'm tying those together. You can attach the side pieces to the uprights. Purchase a flower arch from Katie's Story and use my coupon code CREATION20 for 20% off.